3Commas versus Cryptohopper versus Tradingview. Which one should you be using for crypto trading bots? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare 3Commas, Cryptohopper and Tradingview with bots, so you can decide which one actually fits your trading style and goals. Let's start with 3Commas. It's built for both beginners and pros who want to automate their trades across multiple exchanges. It offers smart tools like DCA bots, trailing stops, and portfolio tracking. Great if you're serious about bot trading and want full control over your strategies. Now let's talk about Cryptohopper. Cryptohopper gives you powerful automation tools, copy trading, and even news-based trading triggers. It's perfect if you want to scan signals, follow top traders, or build your own algorithms. But it can feel a bit overwhelming if you're just starting out. Finally, there's Tradingview.com. Tradingview isn't a bot itself, but it connects with third-party services to automate trades based on alerts. If you're into charting, spotting trends, and want to run simple alert-based trades, this is a solid combo with platforms like 3Commas or Cryptohopper. So which one is better? If you want full-featured bot trading with deep tools, go with 3Commas or Cryptohopper. If you're more into charts and setting up basic trade alerts, pair Tradingview with a bot service. All three are awesome, just used in different ways depending on how deep you go with automation. Let me know in the comments which one you use, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.